Hello everyone. Today we will do a sample problem. So we have an example like what EMF will be induced in a 10 Henry inductor in which current changes from 10 ampere to 7 ampere in time is given 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 seconds. So we have to calculate the magnitude of the induced EMF. We have given that L is equal to 10 Henry and we have known that the change in the current is from 10 ampere to 7 ampere, and this is the time taken. So first of all, we'll see what we have given. It is given that self-inductance of the coil. L is called the self-inductance of the coil, which is called 10 Henry. The SI unit of inductance is Henry, represented by capital H. So L is given as 10 Henry, I1 is 10 ampere and I2 is 7 ampere because current is changing from 10 to 7. So it will be 10 ampere and I2 will be 7 ampere. Change in time during which it changes, the time during which the current changes is given 9 to 10 to the power minus 2 seconds. EMF we have to calculate. We know E is equal to minus L di by dt. This is the formula which we are going to use. E is equal to minus L di by dt. E is equal to minus L, and di represents the change in the current. Di represents the change in the current, which we can write as I2 minus I1. So current changes from I2 minus I1 divided by change in time. So L is given, that's 10. I2 we know that's written 7 minus 10, and change in current we know that's 9 to 10 to the power minus 2. So it will come out as 30 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 333.3 volt, which is the value of the induced EMF. Thank you.